Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, today I have a box that came from Chanel, and I think my husband might have been digging in through my wish list and bought me something small. It's a couple of something small that's probably small, but yeah, because I don't know. It's makeup, by the way, Chanel makeup. And so I want to see what's in here because I did have tons of stuff in there. But let's see. And also, I will talk to you about this lipstick that I'm wearing. Okay? And if you're interested in those things and anything else I can think of, stay tuned. My beautiful wildflowers, welcome back. With today I had a full work day, and also I've already recorded a video for you, but I wanted to do this one because I wanted to talk to you about this lipstick and how much I love it. It was actually a trial, but before I go into that, I want to go ahead and do our affirmations. So let's see what we have. Well, that's a pretty flower. Okay, here we go. I haven't read that yet, so hopefully it's a good one. I like the flower. Okay, even your worst days only have 24 hours. The sun will set and a new day will begin. Ooh, I like that one. You know what? Sometimes I so count on that. I so depend on that. I'm like, oh my God, is the day over yet? Come on already. This day, I'm done with this day. And so that's one thing that I always say to myself nowadays because, you know, a day only has 24 hours. And in the past, if I didn't finish a task or finish everything I wanted to on that day, I'll be so anxious and I wouldn't be able to sleep at night, especially related to my career, right? And so I come to realize, you know, I'm like, how come people aren't running around like me? How come people aren't like, you know, first one to get that email out there, you know? So, but I overachieved at one point at work where it started to burn me out. And then after a while, I said, you know what? Even my worst days, it's 24 hours, that's it, like this says. And tomorrow, a new day will be here and the sun will rise. And if the sun doesn't rise, we have bigger problems. Yeah? So yeah, and that's a good one. Just remember, you know, don't get stressed about everything. I still get stressed about some things, but you know, others, I try not to do that. Okay? So anyway, before I go on to open this secret package, I want to go ahead and talk to you about this lipstick. You see this lipstick I'm wearing? Okay, now it is 5/21, and I've had this lipstick on since a little bit less than 6 a.m. I have eaten breakfast. I've drank 2 cups of coffee. I've eaten lunch. And look, I said, no way, right? No way. Because I've tried so many things that says, oh, you can do all this and it'll stay. You know, it's faded. I mean, it's definitely a faded because I'm going to try to pop a picture of what it looked like when I first put it on because or I can just show it to you instead of popping it up, right? And because I said I'm going to take a picture of myself before, let's see, where is it? Okay, here I am. Oh, that's not a good lip picture. Okay, here we go. I don't know if you can see that. You see that? That is when I put it on 6 a.m. Okay? And you see the color, right? Look. I can even like make it bigger just for the lips. You see that? And now it's faded, as you can see, but it's still all here. It's not all over the place. And I don't eat like this. I don't eat like that. I just eat. And when I drink something, you know, like my cups, you know, like I look here to see, there's like a little teeny tiny bit of a residue here, but not much, not enough to even come off on my fingers. Anyway, so what is it? What am I wearing? But like I said, I did not wear a mask today because I am working remote from home. And so what this is I've had this for a while, guys. This is by Chanel, okay? It is a liquid lipstick, and I'm going to have to actually look in a magnifying glass. And this is called the Rouge Allure Ink Fusion. That's the type it is. Rouge Allure Ink Fusion, and the shade is 836 Idealique. 836 Idealique. And so I've had it for a while. I had it since last winter. Really didn't have a chance to use it because where am I going to go in COVID, right? Nowhere. And so, but I said, you know what? I'm going to try, because I was looking through, what was it? Bloomingdale's. And I was seeing these different lipsticks. And I also looked through my Chanel app, and I put a couple of them actually that's supposed to be like mask proof and everything into my basket. And I never really, went back to get it. And then I said, you know what? I remembered I had this one. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and try it. And so, yeah. And it comes in a doe foot like this. But let me tell you something. I don't know what they do so unique to this. I usually need to get, when red lipstick is very hard to get off once you make a mistake. But this, the way it goes on, the doe foot, it actually folds and molds around your lips. And then then if you get a little bit, like I got too much in here. So what I did was got a Q-tip. I'm like, oh my God, that's it. I'm going to have this pink tinted, part. And so I cleaned it, and it was like completely gone. I'm like, oh, for sure this thing is not going to last on my lips all day. Not if it wipes off clean so easily. And then but once it dried down though, I noticed, look, I mean, it's not brand new. I mean, there's still, parts of it that's, a little bit not as red as it was. It's a little bit more of a pinky color instead of the shocking red color. But I mean, not bad. 6 p.m. Well, it's almost a 12-hour wear, right? In about 30 minutes, it'll be 12 hours. And so it definitely, I like this. I don't know why I didn't use it before. But anyway, so speak of Chanel, let's go ahead and open this box that I had delivered to me today. And let's see. And it is Chanel Cosmetics. I can tell because it said so. And let's see. And the thing is, when it comes from the Chanel store, it looks so much better than going to like Nordstrom's or Bloomingdale's, because they come in their special little box like this. And then they package it so nicely like that. And what is this? There is a beautiful card, which I'm sure is a receipt, I think maybe. They shouldn't put a receipt. There is a receipt in here. Ha ha ha. It's got zeros. It's a gift receipt. Duh. Oh, and if I don't like it, look, they even send you already. This is why the box is like this, because what you do is they have little sticky thingies on the other side. See, so when you flip it, and you just stick it in there, stick the label, throw it in the mail, and that's all she wrote. And I love that, because I'm not having to dig up anything, anything. So I just slap that on there. If I don't like it, it's going back. I hope I like it. Okay, so let me see. What do we have? We have a card. Cute. Oh, there's a message. Okay. Aww. This is my husband. It is my husband. And this is what he had to say. He said, I will deliver the world to you. Love forever. Aww. I like this better than what's in there, I bet. I'm just goofy like that. Aw, so nice. Okay. I'm going to have to save this forever and ever and ever. I have so many of these that my husband would send me, and it's like forever and ever and ever. I got a whole shoebox full of them. Yep. So, once I'm gone and somebody's cleaned up after me, they're going to be like, man, she was crazy. So anyway, there it is. And let's see what is in here. Is it perfume? No. No, because it would come in a special. And look, I mean, the aesthetics on this company, people say, well, you pay so much, but god dang, they do it right. So, what? Hello. Okay. And they do put it into a nice little bag. And what are these? Okay. And these are so nice, because you know what? These are kind of like waterproof. And it has the little, I don't know if you can see the Chanel name there. Oh, there it is, right there. There we go. There we go. And it is a nice bag. And they put stuff in here. What is this? Oh, these are samples. And he got me Le Rouge number 11 Chanel perfume. And this one here is Rouge Allure L'Extra. Oh, this is like the lipstick I have, except for different. Oh, it's a red too. What is this one? Rouge Fusant. Okay, what number is that? It is 854. I can tell you this is gonna have orange tones into it. I like a blue undertone because I look better with blue undertone with my skin tone. Orange kind of makes me look funny, but here it is. And I may just go ahead and put this in a giveaway. It doesn't come off as having an orange coral color on camera, but it is definitely has more of an orange undertone. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this aside. And I love these bags. Okay, and where is it? Okay. Oh, there's just a couple of things, which is okay, I think. Yep, 2 things. God, did they have to use a big box? And the first thing, what did he get me? Sorry about that. I'm trying to like reach for my, okay. This one is Le Rouge Duo Ultra Ten, oh, it's in French. Am I reading that in French? No, Ultra Tenue 49 Forever Red. Oh, I remember now. I had this, you know, I thought I took this out of my basket though. It's Ultra Wear Liquid Lip Color, but this is the one that's, I was just talking about it. About being waterproof and all of that stuff. And what it is you have the color on one side, like this, and then you have the sealer on the other side. So you put this on first. Let's see what it looks like. It's kind of like a brick red. This is a very dark red, weird. Okay, here, you with the, let me not mess this up. And you put this on first, and after it dries a little bit, you put on this glaze, you see? Ooh, it's dripping on it. So that way, it actually will be waterproof and it'll be really shiny. Like, you know, it's about to come off your face, but it's not. And it's also mask proof. You just have to put the glaze on it. So that's that. And you got me one other thing. What is that? Okay, Pearlescent Balm Essential. Oh, this was the exclusive one. Yep. Okay, this is what you call a stick eclat, multi-usage, multi-use glow stick, but this shade actually, Pearlescent, was actually exclusive, and I'm surprised they still had it in the basket. I thought I put that in there maybe a month ago. So anyway, here it is. I wonder why I'm going to have to ask God all those things in there, why these 2 things? So, I don't know, maybe I talked about it. He listens, you know, so I got to be careful what I say. So, yep, there it is. And has a nice little Chanel logo. And, ta-da! Oh, this is such a beautiful shade. Look at this. And you can use this anywhere. And let me see if it's going to show up at all. Oh, it does. Oh, and it's Pearlescent. I don't know if you see. Oh, you can see it right there. Right there. Ooh, it feels so nice. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. And right now I'm wearing the Chanel, I look sweaty, I think, but it's not sweat. It's, I put it all over, highlighter all over my face, especially here. And that's and also I'm wearing the Chanel blush, and Chanel eyeshadow. Matter of fact, this is how I go to work. And I'm not wearing any foundation, because, I don't know, I want to look natural with just bright red lipstick, I guess. But anyway, yeah, no foundation. I have eyebrows on, eyeshadow by Chanel, mascara by MAC, blush by Chanel, highlighter by Chanel, and lipstick by Chanel. Yeah. And the reason why I like them is because when I go to work, it's very faint. You see, it just gives a nice little sparkle, additional, like, really strong pigment to it. And whoa, I'm liking that. It's shiny. You're not catching the pinks in this, but there's like a little shiny pink and little blue, like a mother of pearl. So yeah. That's what I got. That was so very sweet of him. Yep. So I got the dual lipstick and this Pearlescent multi-stick. Yeah. And so now I will go, I want to make sure that's it, because if anything else is going to say, you didn't check it all. So anyway, yeah, that's it. And tell me what you think. Have you tried the Chanel products? And I'll tell you, more and more I'm enjoying these type of lines like Tom Ford, Chanel, Yves Saint Laurent, because I think it's more friendly for like older population, because it's not really out there, you know, it's not like really bright and colorful, and it's really subdued, but yet it's like really nice and sparkly. You know, the other stuff is okay for the weekend and of fun, but to go to work, I have to, you know, I have to look at my age. So yeah. And so anyway, yeah. And so let me know below what you think. And yeah. And thank you so much for joining me today. And I think I have one more video I have to do, which is the unboxing of my, my bag. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of product, if you like this type of videos, please do subscribe by using the button below, ringing the bell, and selecting all so you know every time I upload a brand new video. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, good week, or good weekend, whenever you're watching this, and it doesn't matter. And let me not mess up this next part, because in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. I'm sitting here contemplating. I don't know if I shut off the video when I videoed the other one. So I'm going to have one very long video and I'm going to have to splice it and put it into 2 different folders. Or I kind of did it right and I shut it off and I started again. I hope so, because it's going to be a pain doing it the other way. Because then I'll have to put it into my editor, slice it in half, send it back to the folder, hold it for later for edit. Matter of fact, I have 3 videos I have to edit right now, guys. And look for it. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for watching me. And you guys, be careful out there. Okay, and take care, do self-care, and work on your mental health, and make your world the way you want it to. So I love you from the bottom of my lip ventricles. I love you all. Mwah.